Today is World Down Syndrome Day, a time for us to raise awareness and advocate for those with Down syndrome.
Best Buddies is the largest organization decided to empowering people around the world with intellectual and developmental disabilities.
It's just a good day to talk to our next guest. One of those ambassadors is an actress who made history when she became the first person with Down syndrome to land a recurring role on daytime television when she joined the cast of a little show known as Days of Our Lives.
Today, what is it?
As the
Days of Our Lives.
Here's a look.
Felicity makes the most delicious treats. She's definitely going to be a baker when she's all grown up.
Excuse me. I'm already am.
And don't I know it? I may or may not have stolen a cookie or two here from your brother's lunch.
Yeah, you. It was you. The cookie thief. You gotta respect the cookie, man.
Don't worry. I'll make some more on the next batch. Just for you, Tate.
Yes.
I love this.
Yes.
Here to tell us all about it is Kennedy Garcia. Welcome to New York Living. Hello.
Hi. How are you? So, Kenny, tell us about your personal story.
Well, I kind of auditioned for this role, and I've been acting since I was 6 years old.
Yeah.
And I wanted to be on a soap opera for a long time. I auditioned for this role, and I got it. Which is crazy. And I just love being on it.
Yeah.
It's not crazy. It's wonderful that you got to be on this soap opera. So how did you end up being on Days of Our Lives? Can you tell us a little bit about your role, who you play?
My role is Felicity Green. I played her. She's a 14-year-old. She's a gymnast, and she has 3 siblings on the show. And to be honest, I'm not a real baker in real life.
In real life, you're not a real baker. She's not a real baker, by the way.
It's not a real big. Just wanted to clarify.
Yeah.
What does it mean to be a history-making individual on this show for you? What does that mean for you?
I guess it's a huge honor to be on the show. It means so much because I had fun doing Days of Days. I had fun though. A lot of people are like very nice to me.
Yeah, I bet. I bet you bring more to the people you're talking about than they do to you, because you've certainly done that for us. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Of course.
Well, before we go, you were teaching us this dance. What was this dance? You were doing this little dance. Hey, that's what's up. Okay.
Yes. This is a very big move right here.
You know what? In the commercial, you need to teach him a few moves. Thank you so much, Kennedy Garcia.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Next up, we're introducing to Andrew Wedderly, a good friend of mine. We're going to see his art, and he is another sensational human being. You're going to love this. Where am I? I'm over here. You're going to love this when we come back.
We'll be right back.